Hi, I'm Dr. David Horne, and I'm the Phenomics Supervisor for our Alta Seeds Global R&D program. My role is to work with our plant breeders to integrate new technology that facilitates an identification and collection of traits that directly impact our growers' yield. With recent technological advances in the field of agriculture, such as soil EC readers, weather stations, ground robots, and even satellite imagery, we can assess which traits you need to grow on your farms to maximize yields. One of the hot topics in the field of agriculture lately, and one that's used extensively with our plant breeders, are the use of unmanned aerial systems, or better known as drones. Here with me today are 3 examples of the many different types of drones you could be using not only on your farms, but also in research. Our first type of drone with me today is one that is used extensively by our sales and seed production technology team. It's also one that can be used by our growers. It's compact and light, easy to put an eye in the sky, assess any problems you may have, and then take a plan of action, all from the edge of the field. This drone is great for a day like today when we've had over an inch of rain, we can't get out there, and it may take lots of hours and time just to assess any damage that's occurred. Our second drone type is one that could be classified as the powerhouse of our fleet. It allows our R&D scientists to start assessing certain traits that allow us to better classify our bloom timing, plant height, and even tillering percentage. By taking this drone and deploying it across the U.S. and our global research stations, we have better confidence in delivering to you the traits that we know will perform great on your acres. Our third drone type with me today is one that's very similar to the second, in that it still measures red, green, blue, a sensor that's very similar to the one in your cell phone. The only difference is now we're starting to get into those traits that we can't see with the naked eye. It's starting to look for those wavelengths that are in the infrared and red edge regions. What this allows us to do is better quantify and correct spatial effects due to iron chlorosis in your field, but also identify those SCA tolerant hybrids that go into our aphix lineup. It also allows us to start assessing both the yield and quality of our forage lines for brachytic and photoperiod sensitive lines. So please, join us as we continue to modernize both the breeding and production of sorghum.